If you go into the drawing pencil here, you're going to notice that there's lots of designs. So if we can click on that, and instantly just transfers right to this, and obviously just as simple as clicking it, it just does everything that fast. These are all preloaded and free to use, and you can also upload your own. Hey, I don't have a gas car anymore, so where's my electricity? Hey, check that one out. I actually started liking this game a lot. I'm a little late, but it's pretty cool. This is just in the new section. There's Halloween themed. You can do that. Obviously set your mood, have fun with it. You can keep going through them. There's just hundreds and hundreds. I could say thousands, because it's unlimited pretty much. So when you start looking at all this kind of stuff, you just have so much to play around with. Then go to the channel. So once you're in the channel, you're going to customize the clock face. So you can go into this type of clock, that clock, this clock, and that, and they're all tweakable somewhat. So if you don't want it to be that color, orange right there in the middle, or you want it green in the middle. And you could also have it to tell you the temperature, also tell you what day it is. You can see 10:14, and it'll show you a random photo, so you can select all those on, and it'll just cycle through everything. But I like to see my clock, so I don't always have this one on, because I want to see the time, you know. So you're gonna go to LED settings, and you want to do Fahrenheit. So we want Fahrenheit there. So when we go back to channel, now it's 59 degrees. Their lighting, you can actually just have an ambient color back there. Cloud channel, VJ effects, visualizer. I don't want to go too much into it, because I've done it many times on all their other products. But just go to discover, and there's also a design section here. So if I start drawing there, that's just one spot, there, and there. So you can pick your colors and do more things there. Editor, so you can just do, like, again, quite a bit of things that you could really do. You can speed it up because that's a little slow. There's even new stuff that I haven't even tried out yet. And then mixer, music, so you can make beats, voice message. Alright, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, of course. Chat with people in here, set your alarms, sleep schedule, so you can have ambience noises. There's games that you can actually use your phone. And again, you don't have to. Alright, don't forget to like this video if you liked it. So it's gonna do this random thing there. You don't need the app to change it and kind of tweak around with it. There's a stopwatch section. Just go straight to the stopwatch. You can control it without having to be next to it. Noise meter, so it knows how loud things are. Scoreboard, again, if you're playing a game and you give yourself points. And you can turn notifications on for any of the app, but if you get like Snapchat or Instagram or Twitter, it'll notify a little screen pop right in here. Like, here are the ones that are currently in effect. So let's go back to the last one. And the weather tells you the weather, so it'll, you know, change accordingly. You could obviously play around way more than what I'm going to be showcasing here. It's really cool. It always works. I don't have a problem. And the nice thing is that this speaker is on a battery, so you can take this out and about. So the M here is mode. If I click onto it, it's going to bring me to the menu where I can go to games. I go into the music. There's a timer. There's a competition. There's paint, so you could customize the little LED display. And so those are just the 4. So if I want to select one, just press down on it, and it goes to Bluetooth to the clock. You can select it, and you can move over and there, fix it, select it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's different modes. So click on that. Will be a scorekeeper. Moving over, well, we get that. Okay, there's the timer. Decibel, so let's see what that is. So it's keeping track of how loud I can get. Picking up noise. And then here we go, 1 minute timer. See what other game we got. So we got Tetris blocks, we got 8. So let's see what 8 does. Will people like this video? You guys won't like it right now. Oh, that's dice. Oh, there was my timer. So then we have this game here. Alright, so this is like Flappy Bird. And this looks like Snake. Just fit through it. No idea what that was about. So those are all the games.